Are you looking to give your old, damaged sidewalks a fresh new look? Do this when resurfacing damaged concrete sidewalks and breathe new life into your concrete walkways only at MechMinds Hub. Let's dive in. Glow-in-the-dark surfaces offer a unique and functional aesthetic for sidewalks, illuminating paths during nighttime. By incorporating phosphorescent aggregates into the concrete mix, these surfaces can absorb and store sunlight during the day. As night falls, they emit a soft, ambient glow, providing illumination that enhances safety and visibility. This sustainable lighting solution requires no electricity, making it an eco-friendly option for urban areas. The glowing effect can last for several hours after dusk, creating a magical pathway that guides pedestrians and adds a whimsical touch to the cityscape. It's a practical innovation that marries safety with visual appeal, transforming ordinary sidewalks into luminous landscapes. Thermal topping is an innovative approach to sidewalk maintenance. It's especially beneficial in regions prone to harsh winters. This technique involves applying a special heat-retaining material on top of the existing sidewalk surface. The material is engineered to absorb heat from the sun during daylight hours and then gradually release it as temperatures drop. This slow emission of warmth helps to prevent the accumulation of ice, reducing the risk of slips and falls. It also minimizes the need for salt or chemical deicers, which can be harmful to the environment. By maintaining a slightly elevated temperature, thermal topping ensures safer pedestrian walkways and lessens the burden of winter maintenance for city services. This creative and eco-friendly method enhances the aesthetic of concrete sidewalks. This process involves embedding small, colorful pieces of recycled glass into the surface of freshly poured concrete or a wet resurfacing compound. The result is a vibrant, mosaic-like effect that not only adds visual interest but also promotes environmental sustainability by repurposing waste materials. The reflective nature of the glass can improve visibility in low-light conditions, contributing to pedestrian safety. Additionally, this technique offers endless design possibilities, allowing communities to customize their walkways with intricate patterns and a splash of color that can revitalize urban spaces. Creating a sensory pathway with varied textures can be an enriching experience, especially for stimulating the sense of touch. Imagine a path that meanders through a tranquil garden, each section offering a unique sensation underfoot. Start with a soft, mossy surface that cushions each step, followed by a section of smooth, rounded pebbles that gently massage the soles. Intersperse areas of cool, flat slate that provide a firm grounding sensation, and patches of warm, fine sand that shift and tickle the toes. Incorporate grassy sections that offer a tickling contrast to a segment paved with wooden slats, which add a rhythmic element to the walk. Each texture not only provides a distinct tactile experience, but also encourages mindfulness and connection with the environment. This sensory journey can be both therapeutic and meditative, inviting walkers to slow down and fully engage with the present moment. With pressure-sensitive tiles, these can transform a simple walk into an engaging experience. Picture a bustling city street where each step activates a kaleidoscope of lights and a symphony of sounds. As pedestrians walk, hop, or dance across these tiles, they trigger vibrant LED lights that illuminate their path in a rainbow of colors, creating a dynamic visual display. The tiles could also emit harmonious tones or playful sound effects, responding to the pressure and pace of footsteps. Trompe-l'oeil turns ordinary spaces into stunning visual experiences. This art technique uses realistic imagery to create an optical illusion that objects exist in 3 dimensions. Imagine walking down a street and encountering a painted sidewalk that appears to dip into an underground cavern, or a wall that seems to have an inviting staircase leading to a hidden garden. Artists carefully consider perspective, shading, and color to trick the eye into perceiving depth and dimension where there is none. These illusions can be playful or thought-provoking, adding character and conversation to public spaces. They invite passers-by to pause and interact, often becoming popular photo spots that draw attention to the area. This sustainable solution combines functionality with environmental benefits. By utilizing porous materials like permeable concrete, gravel, or grass pavers, it creates surfaces that allow rainwater to infiltrate the ground rather than contributing to surface runoff. These permeable pavements help recharge groundwater, reduce flooding, and prevent pollutants from reaching water bodies. Artistic inlays offer a delightful fusion of craftsmanship and functionality. Imagine a cobblestone pathway adorned with intricate metalwork, where brass or copper inlays depict local flora and fauna. These embellishments not only enhance aesthetics but also serve as navigational cues. Alternatively, consider a wooden boardwalk with stone inlays forming a mosaic of cultural symbols, celebrating the region's heritage. Whether it's a plaza, park, or garden, these inlays create a sense of place, inviting visitors to explore and appreciate the artistry beneath their feet. Historical imprints involves stamping or engraving significant dates or events onto surfaces, preserving their memory for generations to come. These imprints serve as tangible reminders of the past, connecting to the rich tapestry of history. Whether etched into coins, plaques, or monuments, they weave narratives of triumphs, struggles, and cultural milestones. Imagine a cobblestone street adorned with engraved dates, each telling a story of revolutions, discoveries, or artistic movements. These imprints become whispers of time, echoing across centuries, inviting reflection and reverence. Entering the final stretch is aromatic pathways. Imagine a garden path where every step releases the scent of herbs and flowers. It's simple to create. Choose a path in your garden. Plant fragrant herbs like lavender, rosemary, and mint along the borders. Add flowers like roses, jasmine, and gardenias. As you walk, the plant's leaves are gently brushed, releasing their wonderful aromas. This not only adds beauty to your garden, but also creates a sensory experience. You can enjoy the fresh air, the beautiful colors, and the delightful scents. It's a simple, easy-to-understand concept that brings nature closer to home. Imagine a pathway in your garden that harnesses the power of the sun. It's simple to build. First, choose a walkway in your garden. Then, embed solar panels within the pathway. These panels absorb sunlight during the day and convert it into electricity. This electricity can be used to power lights along the pathway or other features in your garden, like a water fountain or a bird feeder. As you walk along the pathway at night, the lights glow, creating a beautiful and eco-friendly garden space. Kinetic energy harvesting is a fascinating concept involves installing special tiles on busy sidewalks. Imagine special tiles installed on busy sidewalks. As people walk on these tiles, their steps create energy. How? The pressure and movement from each footstep push down on the tile. This small motion is converted into electrical energy. The more people walk, the more energy is produced. This energy can be used for various purposes, like lighting up street lamps or powering electronic billboards. It's a brilliant way to turn ordinary human activity into a renewable energy source. Simple, effective, and beneficial for environment. What resurfacing damaged concrete sidewalk ideas you find interesting? Have you tried any of these tips? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe to MechMinds Hub channel. Thank you for watching.